There's somewhere that's missing chunks. There's just giant chunks missing, but today we do belt. Rusty rubber belt. Goodish rubber belt. Missing rubber belt. Better. Worse. Yes. Yes, it was a pain in the ass. That's the pain in the ass. Fun. Fun times. Significantly more material. I'd say that's a good start. Focus. Look at that flying dinosaur down there. That's almost engine oil, that's how old that is. Damn! I drawed a picture too. I drawed that. What to do? Don't know. Tightened a belt. Crazy, just weird. Now it's charging. Also, with my keen observation, good, bad. Feeling 3 of those are busted off in the back. She farts. She farts. Fuck. 30 years old, and it still works. Better than most cars I've ever seen at Cal Tires. That's pretty impressive, I guess. What a beautiful day. Nice blue sky. Rust in the eye. Welcome to the last, oh, that's good, 2 hours of my life. Oh, it's hard to be cheerful. Yeah, good times, good times. So, oh geez, she crusty, but good. Crusty but good. It's a lot of surface crust, as I call it. There's a lot of deep tissue material that is in good shape. And I just ripped the fucking wiring right out. Right on! Progress though. Oh, it's a lot. Oh, it's so a lot. It's been a good like 2 hours working on everything. Getting the spare down, that was a thing. But yeah, we're getting there. Oh fuck.
I should put a cutout in behind fucking...
This spider's on a wild ride.
Why?
It's a good thing it's dead. That thing is fucking prehistoric. Oh? What the fuck is that? Those are the ones that give you superpowers. He's using his arm to hold on. And he's holding on. Wow. Wow. Huh, this thing's full of surprises. Right, so step 12 of restoring a barn car. First thing you should do, oil change. Only after you do everything else, like clean an interior and drive it for 4 days. Oh fuck yeah. Oh fuck yeah. Told you guys I'd finally do it. It was up there on the list. I did it. This is oil. Now I can beat the shit out of it. This justifies everything. Oh. And it's not even shit oil. This could, however, use about 2 more cylinders if I were to, say, safely. Possibly on the list of things to do. Well, I'm having fun. Just talking to myself in the driveway. Good times. Well, thanks for listening, guys. Just gonna quietly putt along and dump a bunch of crusty metal and rust straight into my corneas while I'm under there. Oh, it does it faster if I lift it up. Learning. I'm learning. But the bumper's off. This is done. What else is there even, man? I don't know. Oh, fuck. You see that? Damn. Oh, you're right. You can be more annoying. What is up with this fucking Jeep? What are you doing, little fella? Oh my God, focus. Ah! It's a crab! I have Jeep crabs! I probably shouldn't yell that out in the neighborhood. Little buddy's here helping me take fender flares off.
Pardon me?
My little buddy's here helping me take the fender flares off. There's a dead one of you on the other side of that fender swinging in the wind. Alright, and so ends that chapter of that thing's life. Taking fender flares off now. Alright, so a little oh my God. A little tip of advice for you little Jeeper kids out there. Don't drink and Jeep, and if you do, learn how to use a fucking ruler at least. Oh. And if you can't find it through a hole, just drill a bigger fucking hole. Oh man, this thing is just nice on the inside only. Oh. Safety's always number one, right, Kyle? Oh, you have glasses on?
However, I did not plug it in.
Oh my God, we actually are being safe today. Well.
Except that stone.
It's fucking right on camera for the world to see.
Oh, maybe don't post that one.
It's good, yeah, it's good we're up here in Canada. What I was gonna say is usually when you get these off, what you don't want to see is that. So it's actually not as bad as I thought. I mean, fuckhead who was here before, obviously he's never ever seen anything straight ever, but still sheet metal up there. So he did the cut and fold method, which, I mean, give him bonus points for trying, I guess. So unfortunately it's looking like this entire body line down is not in focus. This entire body line down for the entire box is gonna have to be replaced. So tossing around the idea of either a panel from here down or getting armor, or the most extreme is getting an entire box side, but those are pretty hard to find and come by. So we're just gonna give her a snipperoo so it's kind of less flailing in the wind on one side. And then we go to the next. This is not great. Also, what we're gonna try, molding is gonna come off. Usually if you care about it, you would heat it. We're gonna start with a crack razor and attack it with some channel locks. And if it pulls paint, actually, you know what? That's not metal anymore. This could pull my doors off. See what happens.